Okay, we're going to be working on the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's kind of like music math. You've just got to know that if we're in 4/4 and we have 4 beats in each measure, we've got to have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and inside that measure. So each group of notes are going to add up to where it says 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And if you don't have enough notes to get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, then there's something wrong. But these measures will have it right. So each little eighth note would be like half a beat. 2 eighth notes together would be 1 and, which totals 1 beat. An eighth rest would be a half a beat. An eighth note is half a beat. An eighth rest is half a beat. An eighth note is half a beat. A half rest is half a beat. So here you have 1. Then you have 2 half a beats, which equal 1. So that would be 1 beat, 2 beats. Half plus half equals 1. 3 beats. Half plus half equals 1. 4 beats. Well, that equaled 4. 1 beat, 2 beats, 3 beats, 4 beats. So 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. So it did total what we needed it to. Okay, here we have 1 beat. So this is going to be 1 and. Then we have 1 beat because 2 eighths together equal 1 and, which would be 1 full beat. So that would be 1 and, 2 and. Now we have just half a beat. 3 and. Another half a beat and a half a beat. 4 and. So this measure we would say 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. Let's try the next measure. This is 1 beat, so it gets a 1 and. 1 and. These equal 1 beat because they're beamed together, so that would be 2 and. We have half a beat and half a beat, so that would be 3 and. And then this is 1 full beat because it's a full quarter rest, so it would get 4 and. 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. Let's do it again. 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. Let's do the next one. Here, this is not a full beat. It's just a half a beat. And that's a half a beat. So these together equal 1 and. So we have 1 and. These equal 1 full beat. So we would have 2 and. A quarter note is a full beat. 3 and. A quarter note is a full beat. So it gets 4 and. 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. And this last measure, that's a half a beat, and that's a half a beat. So that would be 1 and. This equals a whole beat, so they get 2 and. Half a beat and half a beat, 3 and. And then your quarter rest is 1 beat, so it gets the 4 and. 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 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 4 and. Let's do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3